Huh?
You look good on her.
Oh my god, I'm riding a fucking Ducati right now. Dude, this is fucking crazy. Oh, the feet position is insane. And I would fucking stall it. Dude, I'm gonna fucking die. This thing is hard to ride. This clutch is heavy as fuck. Dude, I have to be careful. This thing is powerful as fuck. Oh my god, dude, this is hard. Dude, holy shit, this is hard to ride. This is a 2008 Ducati. Oh my god, bro, this thing is crazy. Now I know what they mean when they say front heavy. Dude, getting this thing out of first gear is insane. I just gotta make sure I respect the bike, because I want to fucking just take off. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this thing is crazy. Dude, it's so fast. I didn't even give it any throttle. Holy shit. Oh, dude, I cannot have a Ducati, bro. Oh, god damn. What the fuck, dude? It's so fast. I didn't even give it any throttle. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is fast as fuck. Dude, I could catch him in like half a second. Oh my god, dude, this thing is insane. Oh my god. Dude, I cannot believe how fast this thing is. 23,000 miles. This thing is so fast. Oh my god. He said that when it turns, so I'm gonna go down a gear and kind of take it slow. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing doesn't turn. What the fuck? Dude, this is nothing like my bike. What fucking gear am I in? Okay, I'm in first. Dude, the trick is not stalling this fucking thing. This thing is insane. God damn. Mine's so slow, he's sad. Oh, fuck. Dude, this bike is fucking crazy. It feels so like... Oh, he's going off a little bit. He's like, this bike's a bitch bike. Dude, I can't believe you let me fucking ride this thing. It's insane. Oh my god. Dude, this thing is insane. Dude, I could go like 100 miles per hour in like second gear. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, I told my buddy that. He was like, you can come on, I know how to ride.
Why is the clutch so strong?
Yeah.
Oh, I stalled it. I was like, oh fuck.
You're not the only one, man. I do stuff like that. But he's like, I told him, I said, when I first got it, he told me, he goes, listen, he goes, when you think turn, it's already doing it. And I'm like, man, come on. And then I was taking a corner and I hugged so tight. I was like all into it. I had to go ease up off the gas.
Just let it stand up.
Yeah, and he's like, he goes, that's what you're dealing with. And I'm like, okay, I won't forget it.
Dude, that gave me so much adrenaline. I was like, why is this thing so fast? I'm just sitting there like, it's not mine, don't break it.
Dude, it's a bike, it's insurance.
Dude, that thing is crazy. This seat is raw. Yeah. I was like, it feels like I'm sitting on the just like nothing. Oh, that was so crazy. These mirrors don't even do anything.
No, they're just for show.
Oh. Dude, he said I'm on this again. Oh my god. This time I'm in the turns. Boys, I don't know if I could do that. Oh, dude, it's so hard to ride it. He said you only live once. I mean, I hope this isn't my last video. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna shit my pants. Dude. Okay, I got this, boys. We in this bitch, KJ Slay style. Oh my god. Dude, this bike is so fast. Oh my god. Lock my shit. Dude, there's so many motorcycles out here. Alright, boys, watch this. I'm gonna catch them. Oh, fuck. This shit's insane. Alright. I just can't go too fast on the corners because this bike's harder than mine to turn. Dude, it's insane. I gotta say what's up to the Insta360. You see your boy on the Ducati, baby. Is fast. Oh shit. Hey, what's good, brothers? Dude, this is fucking just insane how fast it is. Oh my god, that was a big bump. Oh, I don't know why I keep riding in such a high RPM when I don't have to. Damn, I wish I could talk to him. I'm like, hey, can I give it the sauce? Dude, there's so many bikes out here, bro. The content's about to get so much better, I swear to God. What's good with Shaw? Yes, sir. Oh, dude, I cannot wait. Oh, dude. Oh, shit. Give me a Ducati and watch what happens. Our buddy's still behind us. I'm about to hit him with the... It's like not even like quarter throttle. Not even like half a quarter. Damn, bro. This bike's too fast. I can't even pull a gear and like shift. My next bike's a fucking Ducati. On everything I love. Oh my God. Oh, he said go. He gave me the green light. I'm with it. Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Oh shit. Oh fuck. That is insane. Oh fuck. Oh my God. I just hit 100 and something in like a millisecond. Oh fuck. Oh my God. Dude, that is just insane. Oh fuck. I'm gonna cry. I'm about to start crying. Oh. I told him I feel like a little kid when I ride this bike. He's like, we're all little kids. I'm like, oh fuck. Dude, it's so fast. There's dirt, bro. I am not dropping this bike. Bunch of dirt on the ground. Not dropping it, sir. Not dropping this bike.
Remember what I told you about guys riding a million miles ahead of you?
Yeah.
You see my case in point?
Yeah.
I mean, it's great, but you just heard a guy's just 5-6 months in. Even if he's a really fast learner, if I rode ahead of my means, it means you got to try to play keep up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now you're riding outside your skill. You're not learning.
I stopped right there because you saw that dirt on the ground. I was not dropping this bike.
That's my point.
I'm not dropping.
You get one of those corners, all it takes is just a little bit.
That's why I was like, nope, I'm just gonna stop. Boys, we're late for work, but it's okay. It was worth it. Oh, one more startup. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is just. Oh, boys, I can't get over it. So he said to use my feet when I turn. Oh, this is nice. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. The bike slipped out hella hard. Hell nah. Oh my God, I almost fucking died. Did you guys see that? No way y'all didn't see that. That's so sick. This thing is so fast. Oh my god.
If you get addicted, it's not my fault.
Well, your kickstand's hiding. Oh. Oh my gosh. That was...
Don't make you want to work now, does it?
No. Dude. Dude, the bike slipped on me. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Dude, I was like, oh. All you gotta do there is just let the bike do its thing. Oh.
But autocorrect.
Yeah.
Pray.
Yeah.
Please, Lord.
Alright boys, if you've attended this video, I appreciate it. This was definitely a long one, but oh my god. This was not planned. Like, the plan was to just ride with my friend, not jump on his 1000cc bike. Oh my god, dude, it's so fast. I've been like up, it's like past midnight. I've just been up editing this video. Yeah, just finished editing the video and I just been like cracked out, dude. Like, just so happy. That was, dude, I don't know if it's my birthday or what, but I fucking get to ride that bike, and then I'm like an hour late to work. I'm like, whatever. I get to work, my first table gives me a $130 tip, and I'm like, what is happening today? I don't know, man. It was just a good ass day. Thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. P.S. I'm getting a fucking Ducati. I'm getting a Ducati. I'm putting my bike up on the market, bro. I'm getting rid of it. That's a 2008 and it felt like that, bro. Oh, my bike is gone. Gone, bro. Oh my god. I can't. Dude, I can't. It's so fast. Oh my god. GG's, boys. GG's.
I took so much pain in this game. I didn't know my pain would hurt my brain. I lost my friend to a bullet in his brain, and all these people play his life like it's a game. This time don't you panic, it hurts like I'm abandoned. Grab the 30 automatic, had to leave him where he's standing. I've been on a G-code since Tino. He knows that I know that he knows I'm lethal. I've been up and at it, can explain how much it's tragic. I've been grinding for my paper, fuck the fame, bro, you can have it. My time I learned to manage, I'm on it just for the baggage. If you smoke,